This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Hi, all. Good morning. Welcome back. We are working on Jenkins, right? We started Jenkins, right? We have to set up Jenkins. Today we are going to set up Jenkins, right? So first we set up on our laptop, Windows, right? So later I'll show you how to set up on cloud server, right? So first we can set up on our laptop, Windows, right? Fine. So before installing Jenkins, we required Java because Jenkins is developed in Java, right? So completely it is developed in Java. First, we have to download Java and we have to configure Java. So we have to set the environment variables. After that, we have to download Jenkins and we have to install Jenkins, right? Yeah, I'll show you steps. After that, anyone can share your screen so that I can install Java and Jenkins on your laptop, right? First, I'll show you steps here. So after that, I'll explain this first. Then we can install on any of your server because any of your laptop already I installed on my laptop, right? So I want to install on any of you your laptop. You can share your laptop. Fine. Yeah. First, I'll show you how to download, how to install Java on in our local, right? In our local laptop. So we require Java 11. It will support Java 11 will support. First we have to download Java, for which we have to go to oracle.com. Go to oracle.com, right? So click on products, click on Java, right? So go down here. Here it is showing Java 17 version, right? 17 is not stable version. This is not stable version. We have to download 11 only, right? So go down here. Can you see my screen, everyone? Can anyone confirm?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you can see us.
Yeah. Go down here. So we require Java 11, right? Just a minute. Before going to that, we have to click on downloads. Download Java now. Click on this. Yeah. Now we can go down here. See here. So this is the Java 11, right? Java SE Development Kit 11.0.13, right? So this we have to download into our Windows laptop. So these are the Linux versions, right? So we don't require this. Click on Windows. See here. So this is the version we have to download. 139.83 MB, right? So this is stable version. We have to download into our laptop, Windows 10, right? So to download this, we required Oracle account. So when I click on this, it will ask you to provide Oracle account. Click on download. What it is asking? It is asking Oracle account. We have to sign up this. We have to create one account here. So simple. Sign up is very simple, right? We have to provide account here, and we have to provide the logins here. And it will be downloaded. See here, it is downloading now. Yeah. Once it is downloaded, we have to double click on that. It will be installed. Next, next, next. It will install. After that, we have to set environment variables. How to set that, I'll show you now. So someone share the laptop so that in that I'll configure, right? So once we configure this, After that, once we configure environment variables, after that, we have to go to Jenkins.io, the site. So go here and click on download. Click on download, right? See here, this is stable version. This is a weekly version. So every week some versions will be released. This is a stable version, right? So long-term support version, right? So in this, if you want to check post releases, previous releases, you can check here, right? So upgrade guide, if you want to check, you can check. And also here, hardware and software requirements. If you click on this, it will show you some requirements. To install Jenkins, this is the configuration required. Prerequisites, we required 256 MB RAM and 1 GB hard drive space we required. Recommended hardware configuration for small team, 4 GB RAM, 50 GB hard drive. Right? This is enough to you to configure Jenkins. Right? So after that, so this is the stable version, right? You have to select, click on Windows. When you click on Windows, Jenkins will be downloaded. See here, MSI file is downloading. Jenkins MSI file. So using this file, you can set up the Jenkins. Once install the Jenkins, so it will install configure. After that, we have to install some plugins. After that, we have to create one user. After that, we can log in into the Jenkins and we can work on the Jenkins. Right? I don't want to download this. I already downloaded and installed in my laptop. I cancel this. And now what I will do, Java already downloaded, right? And uploaded into Google Drive. That I'll share with you because you have to sign up to download Java, right? So I'll share with you in the group. Everyone can download that and install. This is a Google Drive. Can anyone share your laptop so that I'll install configure today? I'll make you as a presenter. Can anyone share your laptop and guide you how to set up this? If possible, you can give me control. I'll perform that. Or else I'll guide you how to configure step by step. In this link, you can download that Java. Everyone can download, right? Can you share your screen so that I'll make you as presenter. If anyone having Windows 10 laptop, personal laptop, not official laptop. Don't share official laptop, personal laptop. Can anyone give the control? Can anyone? I make you as a presenter. Yeah. Anyone?
Muhammad, I can give.
Okay, so Arif, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I make you as a presenter, so you can share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can share your screen. Yeah. We are able to see your screen. Now, can you open that? Can you download that Java version into your laptop? I shared in the group, right? WhatsApp group.
Okay. I have to save it and run it, right?
Yeah, you have to save in your desktop, your laptop, and you can.
Download option is there. Okay.
Downloading.
It's not showing preparing download like that. Ah, yes, it is downloading.
Yeah.
Shall I try once more? It's stuck. I think.
seconds it will be completed. Can you check in your downloads? Is it download or not?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is
it's downloading, right? Yeah,
downloading.
yeah, downloading. Yeah, yeah, it is downloaded. Now, so this is a zip file, right? Zip format. You have to unzip, extract here. Click on extract here. Right click on that and extract here. Yeah, yeah. One folder is available, right? So double click on that.
Bin. What to do next, Ram? Bin folder.
You do one thing. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Okay.
In folder should not show folder actually. It will show as a file. It is showing as a folder now, right?
Yeah.
Do one thing. Just open oracle.com. Click on oracle.com. Yeah. Products. Click on products. Products. Yeah. Java. Go down. Yeah. Click on Java. No, no. Go up. There you go. Yeah.
Download.
Download. Download Java now. Click on that. Slowly go down. Yeah. Java 11. Select Windows.
This one, right?
Yeah. Windows, Windows. Click on Windows. Not that one. Top. Not. Go. Yeah. Here, Windows. Yes. Click on first one. Hmm.
Right.
Click on that. Yeah. Click on that. Select.
Download.
Select here. Click on that. I reviewed. Click on that. Yeah. I ping
Let me
you
create.
username. In the WhatsApp, I ping you username. You can enter that.
Okay.
You can enter this. In WhatsApp, I ping you. And password also I'm pinging. C capital. Password
Yeah, yeah.
C capital.
Yeah. No, it's short. Ah, okay, okay. One second.
Not taking.
No, no. One second, I will try.
Once more. Yeah, one more time you can try. If that is not working, you can try one more password I gave you. You can sign in. If it is not working, you can try this second password I gave you.
Yeah, it's taken.
Yeah.
No, no. Second one I tried, not taking.
It is downloading now. Yes. You can double click on that. Yeah, click on next, next. Fine. Close. Yeah. Now just open command prompt. Go to search and type CMD. Search. Go to search and CMD. Type CMD. Open that. Just type Java space hyphen version. Hyphen version. Yeah. Java 11 is installed, right? And next one is environment variables also we have to configure quickly. Now, so just search here in the search bar environment variables. Environment variables, yes, open that. Click on environment variables. Here, system variables, click on new, down, down, down. Not that one. Yeah, click on new. Here you can give Java underscore home, capital letters. Java underscore home. Right? Yeah. In down, variable value, just open C drive, your C drive. Click on program files. Yeah. Click on Java. Click on that version. Yeah. Select that path in top. In top path. Click on that path. Select that path, entire path. Yes. Copy that. Yeah. Paste here. Click on OK. And next one is don't OK. Don't click on that. So here one path will be there. Just a drop down that path will be there. In that only. Yeah. Slowly go down. Path. One path will be there. Click on that. Edit that. Edit. Click on edit. Edit bar is there. Click on new. 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 Yes. Here you can view. You can view here. Just a minute. Percentage. Percentage. In your keyboard, percentage will be there, right? percentage. Yeah. Java capital letters. Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Percentage slash slash. Not that one. Reverse slash. Yeah. Forwards. Yeah. Here we can give bin. BAN. That's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Yeah. OK. Close. Can you close command prompt and open it again? Command prompt. Can you close and open it again? Now you can check Java space hyphen version. Yeah, and also you can type echo 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 space percentage Java underscore home percentage. Just type echo space. After echo space required. Yeah. Percentage Java underscore home percentage. Enter. Yes. So perfectly working. Right. Next one is you can go to jenkins.io. Yeah. Click on download. Go down here. Click on Windows. Left one. Yeah. Go down slowly. Yeah. Windows. Yeah. It will download. Wait for a few seconds. Just wait for a few
Download.
seconds. Yeah.
Yeah, downloading.
Yeah. Double click on that MSI file. Next. Next. Yeah. Select first one. Run. Top one. Yes. Next. So you can click on test port. Click on test port. Yes. Next. 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 Install. Finish. Yeah. Automatically it will open localhost colon 8080. Right? It is opening. Just wait for a few seconds. Refresh that.
It's not coming in.
Do you have any firewall enabled in your laptop?
No.
Any firewall is enabled in your laptop? Can you check
No, no,
now? No, right?
no.
The firewall is showing there. Can you click on that? One tab is there, right? Starting one small icon. First one, first tab. Yeah, what is that? Click on that. Windows security.
Hmm.
Can you disable that? Okay.
Firewall network protection, no action.
Right. Turn on. One turn on is showing. App browser control. Yeah. Okay. Dismiss. Just right click on that icon. And any disable option is there, you can check here. So icon means a small icon. Can you click on that up arrow button? So close this. Can close this. Close this window. Yeah.
Yeah, it is signing in, I
Can,
think so.
can click on this again? Yeah, yeah. Now it is came. Don't worry. Now it is working. Fine. So here we required administrator password. By default, one password will be provided, right? So that password is available in the path which is showing here. C colon Windows system 32, right? Some path is showing right here. So that path you can copy up to secrets, not entire path, up to secrets. Slash also you can copy up to slash. Yes, copy that and go to yeah. Here you can paste in the top. Yeah, the top you can paste that. Enter. Okay. Remove that secrets. Secrets you can remove secrets. Just remove secrets. Yeah. Open that. Okay. Yeah. Up to config. Okay. Open that. Click on yes. Continue. Okay. So check that path. Next path. What is that? After config. Yeah.
System
System updates,
update
right?
data local.
Open that. Continue.
Yeah,
Yes. Wait. Don't go hurry. So third icon is there, right? Third icon. Right click on that from top to third icon. Right click on that. Yeah. Open with WordPad. In WordPad we have to open. Open with. Click on open with. Yeah. In WordPad you have to open that. WordPad. Yeah. That password you have to take and you can enter in the Jenkins. Continue. Yeah, click on install suggested plugins, first one only. Double click on that. Yeah, now installing some plugins, important plugins.
RAM in real time, is it our responsibility to install this?
No, no, no. Vendor will help you. Jenkins vendor will involve into this. Jenkins vendor will take the screen and they will install the Jenkins. Only first time they will set up this, right?
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ram.
So someone was.
Actually,
Yeah, go ahead.
I already installed Java in my laptop and I just checked it. It is showing Java version 1.8.0. Do I need to install again this version or can I install Jenkins directly?
11 you have to install. 11 version.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You can sign up your Oracle account. You can sign up and you can download that 11 version so that it will
On
work.
top of this, I can install.
No, no, you can remove 8 version and you can install 11. You can remove, you can go to control panel and you can select that and uninstall.
Okay, okay.
Just
Ram,
wait
I
for a
have a
few
doubt
seconds.
in the document yesterday you have sent in the JIT. Document. I didn't understand the second one. What this one? Ram, can you hear me?
So SCM, what is SCM? SCM means it is a source code management tools, right? Source code management.
Okay.
So source code management means we have Subversion, Git, and also we have Team Foundation, right? Different tools are there. Clear case with features.
Something is missing, I think so. In the line.
Yeah. So we'll discuss later. Not an issue. Can you open that setup? I think it is completed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's completed. Once it is installed all the plugins, after that it will ask you to create one username password, right? So you have to create one user. You have to give one user here and password, confirm password. So you can give your name Arif, Arif. Password also same you can give for easy understanding. Confirm password also. Full name also same you can give. Yeah, email address arif@gmail.com. So no need to give valid email. Any email you can give. Right? So click on save and continue. Yes, click on that. Yeah, close that. Yeah, save and continue. Save and finish. Fine. Start using Jenkins. Yeah, Jenkins is started. Right. This is how everyone should set up the Jenkins. Right. It will take some time. First, you have to sign up Oracle account and download the proper version Java. Then you can download Jenkins and configure this. So yeah, I'm taking control. Arif,
Yeah, okay, fine, thanks.
yeah, once you install configure Jenkins, just type localhost colon 8080. It will be open like this, right? You can give your username, password. Right? So this is my Jenkins dashboard, right? So in this, so we can work on this. We have different activities. So we have manage Jenkins, in which we have different tabs. We'll walk through one by one, right? So here, what is plugin? How to install plugin? How to uninstall plugin? Uh, global tool configuration. How we configure global tools? Configure system. Manage nodes and clouds. Configure SIG. Can you mute yourself, Arif? Some background noise is coming. Yeah. So configure global security, manage credentials, right? Prepare for shutdown. Some important things are there. You can walk through one by one, right? Fine. So from Monday, we'll work on this one by one. We'll go through, and also we have some activities like so how to create master slave model, how to work on the master slave model, how to create user Jenkins user, how to work on that, how to log in with user, right? And also pipeline projects. Pipeline projects means dependent projects. You can create pipeline jobs, types of jobs, right? And also one more thing. Yeah. So after that, Maven also we can integrate with Jenkins, right? How to integrate Maven, right? All these things we can work on one by one. So it will take 4 to 5 sessions. Other 4 to 5 sessions it will take. So everyone should set up this so that we can work on all the activities one by one. Fine. So if you face any challenges, you can post in the group. We'll discuss. Fine. Any questions, anyone? This setup is important. This,
For Tomcat server also we are giving the same localhost 8080, right?
which one? Client server.
Tomcat.
Which one? Tomcat. Yeah.
Tomcat.
Yeah. Got it. Tomcat also will run on 8080. By the time we can change the port, Tomcat port. 8090 we can change. Okay. Yeah. So you prepare this setup by this weekend. Okay. Monday onwards, we'll work on this. How to deploy this Jenkins on cloud server. That also I'll show you. How to install. That is very simple. So I'm preparing some commands. I'll show you that. On Linux server, how to deploy Jenkins, we'll see that. Fine. So we stop here for today. So this setup is very important. That is why I have taken some time for this setup, right? So Monday onwards, we'll work on this activities. Fine. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anna.